My hands are literally shaking right now. I cannot even explain what is going around in my head, and I'm all pale and cold. Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Kanaka Pokley and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today's video is not just like I always have. Today's video is a vlog kind of a thing, and also today is a very important day in my life because today I would be allotted a branch which would stay with me forever. And honestly, I'm so nervous. Right now it is 10 a.m. and I've just had my breakfast and taken bath, and I'm ready for the entire day. So I have nothing in plan today just because I'm so nervous. Earlier the result had to come on Saturday. So Saturday, Sunday and today now it is Monday. So 3 days I was so nervous, I cannot even tell you. Like इतनी ज़्यादा धक 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 टेकिकार्डिया हो रहा था. तो बस कैसे करके these days have just passed, and now they have, like, I called DGME office because I was so nervous. So they have like assured me that today the result would come. I am really nervous. I don't know what will happen. I'm just praying that result should come in my favor. And about my dream branch, I won't tell you right now. Let the result come and then I'll let you know what my dream branch is. चलो बता ही देती हूँ. My dream branch is derma, and I really want it, honestly. But I have been convincing myself that even if I don't land up with derma, I should be happy. At least I got a government seat, so I should be happy with whatever I get, because obviously God has some other plans for me if I don't get derma. But this is what I'm convincing myself, but I'm still praying for derma only. तो चलो लेट्स मीट जब रिज़ल्ट आता है. Okay, so I'm back again everyone, and about the result, as I'm so desperate for the result to come and anxious too, I again called DGME. I just hope they don't get angry at me because I've called them almost thrice till now. So I just called them and asked them about the result and when it is coming. So they have just told me that it will be coming around 5 o'clock or something like that. So right now it is 4:40 and I am waiting for the result.
A few moments later.
Because I've just received a WhatsApp message saying that the result is out, and honestly I'm really nervous. So chalo, it is a live opening. I haven't seen the result yet, so I'll just log in my ID and just a minute everyone, just bear with me. My hands are literally shaking right now. I cannot even explain what is going around in my head, and I'm all pale and cold. Okay, so I have, so I have fill in my details. Oh my god, this is unbelievable. Oh my god. I just have to tell it to my parents first. I've just got empty derma. Oh my god, I have just to call, and I'm recording this video on my phone, so I just have to shut it down. I cannot explain what I'm feeling right now. This is, I don't know what. This is completely magic. Just wait for some time and I'll let you know what this whole procedure was for me, and I'm feeling like I can cry any moment, okay? So just wait till the time. I'll just show you how the result is seen. Just wait. So this is how the result is seen. My college, Gorakhpur BRD Medical College, with the seat allotted category general and the course allotted MD Skin. Okay, so I'm back and my parents are literally crying. The amount of desire for me to get MD derma, I mean the amount of desire which I had in me was almost equal, or even my parents wanted more than me that I should get MD derma. And I cannot even tell you what they're feeling right now. They're crying, and today has to be the most happiest day of my life. I don't know if you can sense my happiness right now, but I am honestly so happy, so happy, so happy. It's like I have always seen myself as an MD derma, and all my life I've seen myself as an MD derma. The moment when I started preparing, also then also I was always targeting derma, and derma being the topmost branch, derma and radio, so you don't get it easily. And also I know that derma seats in my state are just two for general PT. So when you just have two seats in the state, so again the competition increases, and it was really tough for me, really tough. So okay, so I'll just tell you quickly how this counseling procedure is and why this result was so important to me, and so I don't know, it just tested all my patience and everything. Like, see, when you start with the counseling, you have the first round called the All India round. Okay, so all of the procedure, All India round 1, state round 1, All India round 2, and state round 2. Okay, these all of the rounds have to happen with the mop up round, and the course usually begins on 1st of May. So now you can see it's mid of July. So the patients which they had tested was insane, okay, and it had just surpassed my patience limit also. So now when you I had my all India round 1, obviously I was sure that I won't get derma, and honestly I could have got derma, but I had few restrictions for derma. I didn't want to go to south. Not that south is not good, and south has one of the best colleges of India, but it was just that I felt that the food and the language, obviously if I cannot understand the language, I cannot treat the patients, I cannot understand what they're saying, right? So I thought that this would become a very big barrier in my career. So I had this thing in head that I won't go to south. So according to my options, I did not fill south, and even I did not fill northeast. So when the all India round 1 came out, so I got pedia from Surat. So pedia wasn't my choice at all. There were three choices which I had filled in. First was derma, which is my dream branch. Second was radio, and third was pedia. But then derma and radio both, it was nearly very impossible for a rank like me, like 2000, because 2000 is a very, what do we call it, as a margin line, margin rank, and at that rank it is really difficult for anyone to get derma or radio from a college in which they want. Like if you're from north, it is very tough for you to get a college in north if you want derma or radio through all India. Obviously I was getting it in south or northeast, but I did not fill it as an option, so I landed up with MD pedia Surat. So I was quite sure that I won't take that seat at all, and obviously in round 1 we luckily have free exit, so I took the free exit and then went to the state round 1. And now that is the most disastrous part of my life. I feel that I had a state quota for Uttar Pradesh because I did my MBBS from Uttar Pradesh, but I did not understand a very big state, I feel, and it just have 2 seats of general category for derma. I cannot understand this whole concept. I really want anyone to tell me why it is like this. And colleges like KGMU and GSVM, such amazing colleges, they do not have even a single seat for derma. That is insane. So now there were just 2 seats, and according to my state, my rank was 35. So I was really nervous. I didn't know what will happen now. So again, then I was like, chalo, maybe I can land up in pedia in KGMU. So again, KGMU is a very nice option if I have to choose pedia, right? So I had filled my choices and everything, and again a disastrous moment came when I did not get KGMU pedia also. I got GSVM pedia, and can you imagine at what rank MD derma got over? 34, and I was 35. I was so broken, I was so disheartened, I cannot even explain, and I was just crying and everything. 2-3 days, so I was really disheartened with what has happened, and so I was really depressed all that while, and I could not concentrate on anything. And then at that moment I decided that now I should start with my YouTube also, so that I can distract my mind, because otherwise I was just feeling depressed all day. I don't know why, but I was just like कि इतनी पढ़ाई करी है, and उसके बाद भी अपनी मर्जी की सब्जेक्ट नहीं मिल रहा. So I was like that, and though I was always convincing myself कि कोई बात नहीं यार, positive रहे, even if pedia भी मिलता है तो it is fine, you have to rock whatever you get, right? तो पर वही कि ऑब्वियसली मूड ऑफ तो था ही, तो चलो नाउ द नेक्स्ट होप कम्स टू ऑल इंडिया राउंड 2. अब ऑल इंडिया राउंड 2 में भी I was expecting that something would happen, some change would happen, but again in all India round 2 I got MD Derma. Yes, I did get MD Derma, but I got it in Telangana. So honestly, as I mentioned that I did not want to go to that side of the nation because it was like अगर मैंने ये सीट छोड़ दी और मुझे यूपी से भी डरमा नहीं मिली तो कहीं मैं रिग्रेट ना करने लग जाऊँ ये चीज़. तो इट वॉज अ वेरी confusing situation for me. And when all India round 2 happens and if you don't take seat you also forfeit your money, so my 30,000 of rupees were also in a loss. So chalo that is also like fine, अब हो गया तो हो गया. फिर आया स्टेट राउंड 2 के बारे. So can you see I had to start my MD on 1st of May. Due to corona it got so delayed that now it is mid of July and I'm just waiting for me to get a seat. एक होता है ना सीट मिल जाए उसके बाद चाहे वेट करवाते रहे, बट ऐसा भी नहीं हो रहा. वी आर गेटिंग नथिंग, खाली आता है, कुछ भी नहीं है. और दिमाग इतना ख़राब हो रहा है कि यार कुछ तो दे दो. एंड obviously everyone is asking me क्या ले रही है, क्या मिलेगा. एंड आई एम नॉट इन अ मूड टू टेल anyone कि I want MD Derma because I don't want anyone to say me at the end of the day कि MD Derma तो नहीं मिली ना. You know how people are. So I couldn't understand how to respond such kind of people. But अब चलो एंड में अब आया स्टेट राउंड 2 के बारे. सो आई वाज प्रेइंग कंटिन्यूसली टू गॉड एंड ऑल माई फैमिली मेम्बर्स एंड ऑल माई रिलेटिव्स. एवरीवन वाज जस्ट प्रेइंग दैट आई शुड गेट डर्मा एंड माई फ्रेंड्स ऑल्सो. सो एट द एंड द रिजल्ट हैड टू कम ऑन सैटरडे. फ्राइडे से मेरी जान निकली हुई है. पूरा टाइम बस मैं ऐसे बैठी हुई हूँ चुप होके, नॉट कन्वर्सिंग विद एनी वन, बिल्कुल बोंगी, मतलब बिल्कुल ऐसे चुप होके, बिल्कुल टेकी कार्डी हो रहा है. इतनी टेंशन हो रही है कि यार क्या होगा क्या होगा क्या होगा रिजल्ट. एंड देन द रिजल्ट डिड नॉट कम ऑन सैटरडे. हम 8-9 o'clock तक आई एम वेटिंग, रिजल्ट डिड नॉट कम. देन आई थॉट चलो संडे को आ जाएगा रिजल्ट, बट संडे को भी रिजल्ट नहीं आया. देन एट द एंड आई कॉल्ड द DGME ऑफिस एंड दे टोल्ड दैट द रिजल्ट वुड कम ऑन मंडे. सो नाउ मंडे, अब मंडे को भी वी आर वेटिंग फॉर द होल डे. फाइनली आई कॉल देम एंड दे सेड दैट द रिजल्ट वुड कम एट अराउंड 5 o'clock एंड द रिजल्ट केम एट 5:32, लाइक 5:32. दैट वाज द टाइम व्हेन आई चेक्ड. सो ना आज मैं ऊपर आसमान नीचे, आज मैं आगे ज़माना है पीछे, ऐसा वाला सीन था. आई वाज सो हैप्पी. आई कैन नॉट एक्सप्लेन. आई वाज डांसिंग, आई वाज क्राइंग एंड आई वाज screaming. I cannot even explain what I was doing, but I was so happy and it seems like magic to me that I got what I wanted. And since now I've got derma, so you would see a lot of content related to derma on this channel also. Also not only this, I also got one gift from my parents after my result. I'll just show you. And that is a beautiful phone, 11 Pro Max. I received this also from my parents and I'm in all love and all awe for my parents with this phone again. I wanted from a very long time. So yeah, it's like all my dreams are turning true and everything's going so great. And also I will be going to Gorakhpur, yes, my derma college, on 17th morning. So, and also the most important thing that on 17th I'll be traveling all alone. So it's a very different experience for me because I've never done this before, and doing all of the documentation work and everything all alone would be a very big deal for me. But I would really try to vlog that day also as much as I can because I would always be having my luggage too. So it may be difficult, but I would try doing this. I would like enhance my skills of vlogging. This is, yeah, that is it for today. This is what I really wanted to tell you, that I've got MD Derma and within 3 to 4 months I would definitely gather some knowledge about this branch and would definitely be sharing it on this platform of YouTube. So all the queries related to skin and hair are definitely welcomed, but only after 3 to 4 months obviously, because then I would learn few things till then. And yeah, so this is it. So I have got MD Derma, I have colored my hair, I've got my phone. I just have to pack my bags and leave for Gorakhpur tomorrow, day after tomorrow. So till then, Bye everyone. Really hope that you like this video. It was a very different kind of a video and I would be making such kind of videos very often. So stay tuned, subscribe to the channel, like, share, comment and everything, because now you would be seeing the life of a doctor and I'm telling you, you will love it. So stay tuned, subscribe, and let's just quickly hit 10k subscribers and make this channel a very big success together.